Alrighty, Chef Buck here, and today we're going to make an egg salad, which is very simple. We got boiled eggs, a little bit of mayonnaise, pickle relish, some salt and pepper, stir it up, boom, egg salad. You know, that's classic, simple, boring egg salad. Today we're going to make a spicy egg salad. It's very complicated and ambitious and delicious. The best egg salad you ever had, probably. You know, if you like spicy. It's going to take a little bit of time, you know, twice as much time. Or even 3 times as much time as boring classic egg salad. But this egg salad will be fun. Now, of course, the basic building block of any egg salad is the eggs, specifically boiled eggs. So you want to have some Fantastico boiled eggs, and I'm going to cook up 8 of them. And this is a very simple, foolproof way to boil up your eggs so that they don't turn a nasty green inside and have that kind of sulfury, unpleasant flavor. Put them in a pot and cover them up with some cold water. Then we'll put the stove on high heat, cover the pot and let it come to a boil. Now once our eggs come to a bubble, we'll go ahead and turn off the heat and take them off the hot burner, and we're going to let them sit for 10 minutes. And then that's all there is to it. After 10 minutes, boom, they'll be perfecto. After 10 minutes, we'll just transfer the eggs into a bowl of iced water, and that'll stop the eggs from cooking anymore. And then it'll also, the shock of the ice water bath will cause the eggs to shrink away from the shell inside. So they'll be easier to peel. And that, of course, will make the eggs more appealing. Now, while my eggs are cooling, I'm going to go ahead and heat some oil in a skillet on medium-high heat. Once my oil is heated, I'm going to go ahead and add in some finely chopped garlic. And then, since this is a spicy egg salad, I'm going to throw in a jalapeno. This is an entire jalapeno. And we'll just give this about a minute on its lonesome. Now I'm going to throw in a little bit of chopped red onion. You know, we got quite a little bit of the garlic and onion here, and we're going to have leftover egg salad. That's why cooking up these ingredients is kind of necesito, because I don't want to have a lot of raw onion flavor in my leftover egg salad. Alrighty, I got a little minced ginger that I'm going to add in here, because ginger is always a good idea. Alrighty, everything's starting to soften up and cook down a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and add my spices. I got a whole lot of paprika here. You know, like I said, this is going to be a very flavorful egg salad. Got a little bit of chipotle, a little bit of smoked chili powder, and some turmeric, and a little bit of salt and pepper. And we'll stir these spices around and let those start to cook into these ingredients. Now, one thing that's missing from egg salad that I like to have is a little bit of crunch. So I'm going to add some cashews. You know, I got these smashed up a little bit. I'm going to reduce my heat down to medium and just let this go for another minute. I mean, I like classic egg salad. This is just a little bit more interesting. But I think this is cooked up enough, so I'm going to go ahead and move this off the heat. And then while these ingredients cool down, I'm going to go ahead and peel my eggs. So now I got my perfectly boiled eggs peeled, you know, because you don't want to overcook your eggs. You know, you don't want to have any of that green in there. I'm going to throw a little bit of mayonnaise, and you can adjust how much mayonnaise you want to put in. And we'll just get it mashed up. And you want it to be a little bit chunky. You know, you don't want it to be super duper smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my sauteed ingredients. And this is where all the flavor is. You know, this is like a super duper flavor punch. And I got a half a lemon. This is a pretty good sized lemon. And I've already got it zested. I'm just going to throw some juice in here. A little citrus zing, you know, the actual zest that I took off the lemon, because I hate to waste that zest. Mix this up really well, and it's spicy. You know, we got all those seasonings in here, and then we got a whole jalapeno pepper in here. But we're gonna add some fresh ingredients: fresh chopped parsley, and then a little bit of freshly chopped cilantro. This is gonna add flavor and color. You know, you could just use one or the other. You could add some fresh dill, is a good choice. And that's pretty much it. The last little thing I'm going to put in here is some cherry tomatoes. And I like to use the cherry tomatoes because it's got a lot of skin on there, so that'll help to hold the tomatoes together when we mix them up. And that adds a nice color And it'll also temper the heat a little bit. So now I'll just give it a little taste test. Man, that's so flavorful. I'm gonna keep it just like this. Definitely give this egg salad recipe a try. Serve this as a topping over just a regular greenhouse salad. You know, throw it on a couple of slices of Wonder Bread or toast you up a crostini. Super duper exciting and fun recipe. You know, if you want to print this egg salad recipe, you know, go to myfoodchannel.com. I'll have a link down below. You can print all our recipes there. Give it a thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future. Bye-bye.